excited. I am headed to Nashville. I had to wait to start filming until the sun came up because I left at like 5:50 this morning. And so it was super dark outside. So the sun like it's like starting to like show. I'm like going through like downtown Birmingham right now. But yeah, I'm so excited. Can't even stand it. I had to get up so early this morning. And yeah, I get my keys today. I am doing all the things and I'm super excited. Stopping to get a coffee in a second. Because it's going to be a long morning. It's about a 2 hour and 45 minute drive. Which is not terrible. It's like going to like where I went to college. But it's just early. Because I feel like this has been the longest freaking day of my life. Like I'm so tired. I haven't slept. I've been up since 4 o'clock. It's currently 5 o'clock and I'm running errands, trying to get everything like figured out. Thank you so much for letting me over. Anyways, here's all my stuff, like literally packed down all the way, and then my trunk is full. So we're gonna go do some errands, get some stuff set up, and then I'm getting dinner and I'm done. I'm done for the day. Okay, I'm finally in my apartment now. I'm so excited. Like it feels so surreal after everything. And all it took to get here. Like I just seriously can't believe that I'm actually here. But yeah, let me show you the apartment. Here's the official apartment tour. Okay, here's the little door. Love the little aesthetic of the door. You walk in and then you can see the sun right now. It's like 5 o'clock. This first little thing is a coat closet. I'm definitely gonna need all the storage I can get. No doubt about that one. And then this is my washer and dryer. Love it. Definitely a necessity. And then I think that's just like the whatever closet. And then I just literally cannot get over how pretty the sun is. Like look at the sun on the walls. And then there's me. I am obsessed. Okay. Anyways, here's my beautiful kitchen. Like nothing in the world, seriously, nothing in the world makes me happier than a pretty kitchen. And I am just like, I can't even believe that this is mine. Like my fridge, I'm obsessed. Like need this in my life. You don't understand. Fridge, super big. Like compared to my college one, so big. So excited. Like I'm just like, oh my god, a full size freaking fridge. Like I cannot. And there's a lot of storage and stuff, like more than I actually thought there was gonna be. To be like a city apartment. And like this, like my pots and like stuff like for cooking. Cause you know I cook all the time. No, I really do, for real. My stove and everything. Is it really 6 o'clock? I need to change that. My microwave, my sink and stuff, and then my dishwasher. And then we're going in here, and this is my bedroom. Let me turn on the light. It's kind of dark right now. So, oh my god, just like I'm obsessed. There's so many. This is like the best part though. Hang on. The barn sliding door, like to go into the bathroom, like that is like so pretty. And I'm like not a farmhouse aesthetic person, but I can get behind this. And then my closet. It is fabulous for me. So I'm gonna put like baskets and stuff right here. And then like obviously like I don't know, I just feel like I have a lot of room to work, you know? Anyways, now getting into the bathroom. Here is me. It's been a long day, so just don't look at me. There's a bunch of storage right here. Just like a blank wall, be cute for some pictures. Super cute shower with a huge tub. Okay, I threw on this little sweater, and just these little shorts, and then my sneakers and these socks. And I'm going to grab something for dinner. Don't know what yet, but I'll find out. Something around here. And I'm running to the grocery store real fast to grab something that I forgot. And I don't remember what it was, but it's in my phone. So yeah, can you see like the pretty sunset in the back? You can't see it, but I can see it. Anyways, bye. Okay, it's been a long day. I feel like my voice is kind of going out as well. I don't know what my hair looks like. I just put this tie clip in. I love those, by the way. But I just got in. It's about, what time is it? 6 o'clock. I just grabbed dinner. So I got, what is it called? The velvet taco. And I got like the pork one. And then I got like the spicy something. I don't know. Anyways, spicy something. And then I got the queso and then the chips. And yes, I am like sitting on top of my counter because I don't have like, see, like this is my blow up mattress. Like this is like real life, like dreams in the making, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is what I'm doing until my parents come with the rest of my stuff this weekend, an air mattress in the living room. But like, I cannot get over, like, look at the pretty sun. Oh my God, like I'm obsessed with this. So here is my setup for my dinner. I'm about to finish up a few things. And then I'm going to watch a show because I don't have a TV yet. So I've got to watch my show on my laptop. So this is life right now. Also, my Stanley Cup dupe, I have it linked in my like to know it. I'm obsessed with this. It's freaking huge, but it's also amazing because it keeps ice, like it really does. Anyways, that's linked. I'll link it below and stuff, whatever. But this is what my night is consisting of. Just tacos and hanging out.